Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and today I've got an insane bundle that's appeared on Humble Bundle. I know we can throw those words around a lot. There is 39 different assets for the Unity Asset Store on this page, and it's for a collective price of £13 or $18, and it's collectively worth about $2,700 for all of these. And there's a crazy selection, some stuff for UI toolkits, stuff for environments, stuff for creating game templates, pets, characters, and I'm going to show you every single thing that's in this bundle so you can make a decision whether you want to get it. And it's probably one of the best bundles I've ever seen. Now, because it's around Easter time, Cinti are giving away their free Easter pack. If you like this, you can grab it for free, so I guess why not? You can check out the new free asset for Unity for this week, and I'll put the link down below to get hold of that. And I'll put all the links down below so you don't miss out. And if you do like this video, be sure to throw a like and make sure you're subscribed because it helps me out massively. So the first one in this pack is called the Lumen Stylized Light FX 2. So this is customizable flares, glow effects, and fake lighting built for real-time performances, where they need different styles of rays, fake volumetrics, and different things to process this stuff. We've got the Master Magic FX, which is a universal bundle of magic effects themed across lasers, bullets, sword beams, explosions, magic auras, buffs, tornadoes, shields, and loads more with lots of customization. We've got the Monster Full Pack Volume 3, which combines loads of their other packs, so it's 25 different crazy monster models, where you can see giant aliens, flying monsters, stuff that you might find in the sea. We've got the Game Maker's Sound Effects Kit Part 1, so it includes their ambient game, card game, fantasy game, fantasy world, and War UI with over 3,000 different sound effects in here. We've got the Stronghold Village, which has got 2,000 different prefabs and bunches of assets to build your fortified town or fantasy village, with loads of props, pre-made elements across the terrain and other stuff. We have the Action Adventure Kit, which is a foundation for things like characters, items, and persistence, and this is a framework for adding your own characters and enemies, different items and actions for interactions, attributes for strength and making upgrades, resources, different effects, movement, persistence. We've got an asset called Mesh to Terrain. So this is an asset where you can take any 3D terrain model that you might have created in another app like 3ds Max or Terragon or any other particular editor and convert these suitable for Unity terrains. We've got one called the GUI The Stone, which is a massive GUI pack with over 600 different PNGs, with over 250 different icons, lots of editable files, in this more brown and stonework style theme. We've got something called the Forest Lake, which is a high quality environment, which is a 2x2 kilometers demo map with LODs. It includes a lake and a river with fully dynamic lighting, customizable materials. We have the Tower Defense pack, which is the low poly art. So this is a bunch of different towers, whether you need normal, construction, barracks, archer or range, loads of different prefabs for each, 80 different environmental assets, 16 structures, and various themes with over 200 prefabs. We've got the Toon Zombies Extended Pack. So this is a full zombie horde, which is a male, a female, a Hulk, and a tank, with 61 different prefabs across different styles, whether you need civilians, military, or different things from there. We've got Chroma Easy Pro shaders. So this is a great tool for creating shaders, and you can make material inspectors, add gradients and curves just to improve productivity. And you can make lots of different really nice customizable options with this. We've got the 100 top-down monsters of Volume 1, 100 top-down animated monsters in a pixel style, 128 by 128. We've got something called Ultimate Terrain, and it's a real-time layer-based workflow to build terrains with different style effects, so you can do things like height, texturing, details, trees, and prefabs. You can use new and existing terrains. You can do multi-layer editing and terrain blending. There's modular with a layer-based system. It's non-destructive, so if you do make changes to it, everything else will change alongside it. We've got the Runner Clash template. So this is one that you see in all those adverts, where you can run into the sides of the different amounts, and you can expand on this game because it is one of those hyper casual type of templates. Animated stickmen, death collisions, different usability to be able to create your own styles with this. We've got the Sci-Fi Space Colony, which is a fully modular asset pack to create this sci-fi and space style. So with over 300 prefabs, all with different modular elements to easily create, whether it's first person, third person, and you can decorate in an amazing looking style. We've got Platformer 9 Heaven, which is a low poly assets pack, which has 115 different assets, 3 designed game levels, with platforms, decorations, and different obstacles across an overworld or a fantasy-based setting. We've got the English Tracing Book, which is a tracing package with built-in editor tools for creating custom shapes and supporting multiple languages. So it's a cool one to create handwriting practice or educational style applications, so you can trace and fill in letters and use it with its uppercase, lowercase, and so many other different effects added in here. We've got something called Endless Book, which is a complete way to visualize a book inside Unity, so it's more than just using an animated mesh. You can use scripts to handle updating pages, you can animate the book states and the turning of pages, you can even drag pages manually. We've got something called Game Launcher, which is the patcher and updater. So this is a way to show localized news and manage updates for your game, repair anything, do self-updates, manage different resolutions, do different multiple support for languages. We've got the Stylized Fantasy Outfits pack. So this does have a selection of different outfits across the different characters, and it does have dependencies for other character packs just to make you aware. And we've got Cute Pets, which is a selection of different pets and farm animals with various different animations in a cute little Unity Toon style. We've got the City pack, which is based on a modern architecture or design with realistic and highly optimized skyscrapers and buildings with 20 different textures and cube maps. We've got the Simple Apocalypse cartoon assets from Cinti, which is 22 different characters with different skin tones, 28 zombies, 35 different vehicles, 119 different buildings, 67 environmental items, and various different props. Then we've got the Stylized Modular Dungeon Environment, 42 different unique stylized assets, which are fully modular, ready for any action game or fantasy world that you might be creating. Got the Map Graph. You can create level generations, which are perfectly tailored to your game. It's got a visual editor that makes it quick and easy and flexible to be able to do this, and you can have over 180 different nodes to be able to create stuff at runtime or in the editor, and you can generate 3D assets from prefabs, or you can use 2D tile maps. Got the Dark Medieval Village Environment, which is of 341 different unique static meshes to create a dark, medieval, dingy style village with loads of interiors with all modular assets. Got this procedural UI, which is for rounding and using gradient effects, and you don't even have to use any sprites to make this happen. So you can create borders, outlines, glows, shadows, fall-offs, all with professional style UI elements. We've got Real-Time Weather Pro, is a real-time weather system with weather information, which has loads of different integrations with really popular assets, collecting real-time weather data and using those inputs in your components. We've got Word Connect, which is a puzzle game template, and it's a popular addition to be able to create the words with a flow by trying to work out what examples and creations that you can choose. It's got loads of customization between the colors, and it's all based in the Unity Inspector as a full template to get this going. We've got the airport terminal scene, which is over 550 different prefabs for an entirely detailed scene for interiors, exteriors, for a full airport terminal with shops, seating, and everything that you'd be able to find. Then we've got the Modular City with bridges, tunnels, and physics assets, which is a modular city pack with loads of different additions from there, with 53 different buildings with suitable variations and styles. We've got the RPG FPS game assets for PC and mobile, so it's got over 1,200 prefabs creating new maps on different devices, even for mobile, across loads of things like industrial, farmland, country, nature, and so many more. We've got the UI Toolkit Scroll View Pro, which is infinite scrolling, snapping with animations and controller support for just being able to create a nice scroll view to have different lists, things within the views. We've got the Physics Hand, which is an XR solution for grabbing, throwing. It comes with various demos like a basketball demo, grenade, XR gun, XR axe, and non-VR based controller demos are included. We've got Pirate Island, which has got enterable interiors and exteriors. It's fully modular with over 200 unique meshes with different shader graphs for advanced materials that you'll need. Then we've got the Remote Runtime Editor, which is a powerful debug tool that lets you to inspect your game builds on the device with enabling extensions and tests on the fly. Then we've got the Jelly Merge template plus editor. This is to create your own puzzle game to move the little sections, and it does come with 50 different unique levels, loads of different documentation and integrations with apps and ads. Then we've got the Polygon Mini City, which is a range of hexagon tiles with buildings, props and environmental project assets with 271 different styles with 6 different alternate. And if you do want to get hold of this bundle, you can select on the right hand side how much you want to pay. So you can pay as little as $13.57 or around $18 for 39 assets. You can click go to checkout, you can choose whatever pay method, and you can go pay and check out. Then once you've accepted that page, you can click to get your software, and then you can click the redemption instructions down here. And it does say to redeem a code, but for me this code doesn't work, so you may need to just fire into Google Unity account, and if you do, go to id.unity.com. You can find it here, which is redeem a code. Then you can go back to this page and reveal your key, and then we'll paste it in here, and you can see all the assets that we're set to get, and you can choose your organization and click you're redeeming the terms and conditions, press confirm. Then if you do go to the Unity Asset Store, and at the top, if you click on my assets, you will see everything in your assets ready to be used whenever you choose to want to use it. And do comment down below if you get hold of this bundle, because I think it's one of the best you might ever find. Do check out my Patreon too to get over 240 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. And big thank you to Joe for his amazing support, and thank you to everybody else who comes to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.